Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove or delete saved passwords, or you can say login details from Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu button, and in the drop down menu select settings. In the left sidebar select this one option, autofill and passwords. On the right, you will see Google Password Manager. Click on this one option. Under Passwords section, you will see all the domains. For that, you have saved your passwords. To log in automatically, select the domain you want to remove from your PC. Windows may prompt for fingerprint, PIN, or password, whatever you have configured on your Windows PC. Authenticate with that details and then click on this one button. This will remove particular domain passwords that you have used to log in from your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 and 10 PC.